if you can make a change, if you can make the world a little bit better, shall you do it? Do you know? You can do it. Instead of playing lip service to all the injustice of this world. What can you do? Going vegan. If you are going vegan, you will be a far less burden on the planet. On 1 acre of land, you can feed around 6 people on a plant-based diet. Now, it takes around 3 acres of land to feed somebody on an American style / Western style average diet. It takes up from 5 to 26 pounds of plant products, dependent on the animal in question, to create 1 pound of animal flesh. You produce around 80 kilograms of carbon dioxide into the air. Methane. The equivalent of 80 kilograms of carbon dioxide. So if you are making calculation from carbon dioxide to methane is around 25 to actually 100 times as potent for the environment as CO2 on a scale of 100 years, and have around 80 times the global warming potential, 85% global warming potential. So basically, if you are not driving your car for around a month, you spare around, maybe dependent on your car of course, around 20 to 40 kilograms of greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide. So, not eating animals is far better for the environment. Also, if you're not caring about the environment, or you're just a greedy, if you're just a climate change denier, then you must also know that any 2 seconds the chances are from starvation. Do you know why? It is because, what I said before, it takes up to 25 pounds of plant product to produce 1 pound of animal flesh. There's protein, vitamins, carbohydrates, fats producing company. In return, it is actually the animals shit also out a lot of stuff. They are not vegetarians, you silly people. You're brainless people. Yes, animals are not vegetarians. They don't live on air and light. They need to eat. They need to shit. So, yeah, you have lots of manure which create ocean dead zones. We have around we have more than 500 of them today. In the 1950s, we just had around 5 of them, by the way. So, doe de mafie piep. Piept wel. Also, around 82% of all the animals on this planet are living in third world countries. Their food is given to livestock and the food of the people that live there. Because of the way capitalism works and the way greed works. And then those animals are fattened up and eaten by people in the West mainly, and by the rich people in those countries. This world give enough for anybody's needs, but not enough for anybody's greed. Like Gandhi said. Are you going to play lip service to all the problems on this planet? We are not doing something to change it. Or are you going to be a person with fire? Somebody who have a spine. Somebody who is not a spineless, a little spoiled brat. Somebody who is responsible and not let himself be driven by ego and by gluttony. Somebody that does not make excuses. That's somebody you should make. On the moment you stop making excuses, you become illuminated. You become enlightened. On the moment you are starting to learn to think instead of following. The moment you become critical of your society and the culture you're born in, that's the moment you become a person of value. What's your excuse? I know a lot of them. And I know they are all invalid. Before you type something trollish in my comment section, let I remember you. I did not be born vegan. Gary Yourofsky was not born vegan. Most vegans are not born that way. There's also not an excuse to make excuses for you. Imagine that you were born in a mafia family. And one day you find out the other way of the mafia way of life. And you are trying to explain that there is another way. That there is a way to go and get your money in an honest way. In a not criminal way. In a not scummy way. In a not cruel way. But then your society say, we are going to do things the way we have always done. We are not open to your opinions. And then they say, also your opinion. So it is your opinion, if you are in that scenario, that you should respect them just because they are your family, just because they are that you have grown up with them, just because they're in your kind of culture that you are being grown up. Hell, ne, niente, excellenti noto, absolute not, no deal, I think. And also, then they say that you can do that way, but you have to respect the mafia way of life. Not people. Let I say to you this. Violence have always to come in peace with the compassionful person. With the one who supports the least amount of cruelty. It is not the other way around. So many people are wrong that they think that if you are just nice and just you are Gandhi, fun and nice, anybody will change. But that's not how it works. Sometimes you give them a little bit tough love. You have to punch them and let them fall down so they can come back up. If people are doing psychotic stuff, if people are doing things that are cruel, and I say things that are cruel not in the eyes of the oppressor, If you are not the victim, don't imagine it entirely from your point of view, because then it becomes pretty easily to mock your victims and make fun of their entire system, say that they're stupid and dirty, and then say that they'll have to prove to you why you should be kind to them. But when you're a victim, or speaking for the victims, I suggest you can understand that things look a lot different from that point of view. So, check your privilege, people. Check your privilege. Spoiled brats. I think that I have to respect their position. Just because it is legal. Legal means good, and it's stupid. That's what people are actually, that say the law is equal to justice. There are stupid, there are bigots, there are fools, there are slaves. People who are not want to reason are bigots. People who don't can reason are fools. And people who are afraid to reason are slaves. When darkness and light become one, reality splinters away, and the truth becomes visible. I see you next time. And go vegan. Stop making excuses. And stop playing lip service to all the problems of this world, where you are actually are not responsible for, and you are not trying to do something against in reality. Words are empty. Actions is what matter.